Alright, you clicked on a video titled Don't by the Oster Fast Feed, and you're probably wondering, is this thing actually terrible? Or am I about to save you 80 bucks? Let me make this promise right now. I'm going to show you the three biggest, most annoying problems with the Oster Fast Feed that almost no other review talks about. But here's what surprised me. Despite those flaws, I still use it every single week. Therefore, you need to know the whole story before you click Add to Cart. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description. Okay, so the Oster Fast Feed. It's a legend. It's the clipper you see in every barbershop tutorial. Amazon rating: a solid 4.5 stars. Price: around $84. The product description promises a powerful motor, whisper-quiet operation, and easy length changes. It sounds like the perfect home grooming tool, right? But here's the first contrarian snapback. This isn't a beginner-friendly magic wand clipper. It's a professional tool with professional quirks. And if you don't know those quirks, you're going to have a bad time. Therefore, let's deep dive. Act 1. The hook and the immediate frustration. The first problem hits you right out of the box. It's not the motor. That part is glorious. Twice as powerful as a magnetic motor, genuinely strong and, yes, relatively quiet for its power. It's the adjustable blade system. They call it quick and easy. I call it quick and confusing. The lever moves through numbers, but those aren't magic guard comb numbers. They're blade settings. And if you, like me, expected to slap a 2 guard on and get a perfect trim, you'll be baffled. The first joke is that this lever is like a mystery knob on a spaceship. You turn it and hope you don't end up bald. Here's the mini promise. I'll decode this for you in 2 minutes, saving you your first haircut disaster. The lever adjusts the blade gap from a closed position for detailing up to an open position, but it doesn't correspond directly to guard lengths. Therefore, you need to learn to use it with the guards. It's for blending, for fading, for adjusting the cut of the guard itself. It's powerful but not intuitive. This is the first professional quirk. It assumes you know barbering basics. Act 2. The deep dive into the real issues. Now let's get to the heart of the don't buy argument. Problem number 2. The noise and heat myth. They say whisper quiet. Compared to some monstrous clippers, it's better. But whisper quiet to your spouse trying to sleep in the next room? Not a chance. It's a distinct, persistent buzz. A buzzing that says, I am a powerful rotary motor working hard. And that motor works so hard it leads to the third biggest issue: heat. Rehook. Here's the twist. The power creates friction and friction creates heat. This clipper can get hot. Not warm. Hot. Like, I need to put this down for a minute hot, especially during longer sessions like a full haircut. This is a common thread in many user experiences, even if the top reviews on Amazon gloss over it. Therefore, you need a cooling strategy. Joke number 2. Using the fast feed without brakes is like holding a tiny, angry dragon against your head. It gets fiery. But you can manage it. Let's talk solutions. First, always use clipper coolant. Oster's own coolant is a lifesaver. Spray it on the blade every few minutes. Second, take breaks. Switch tasks. Detail the sides, then trim the top, let it cool. It's not a flaw that makes it unusable, but a characteristic you must respect. Now, problem 3, the one that might be a deal breaker: the weight and balance. This isn't a lightweight ergonomic wonder. It's solid. It's heavy. It's built like a tank, which is great for durability, but for a home user with less hand strength, it can feel cumbersome. Holding it at certain angles for fading can tire your wrist. Therefore, your technique adapts. You learn to rest your hand, to use your other hand to support. It's another professional adaptation. Mini promise. I'll show you how to turn these problems into strengths before the end. But first, let's talk about the top reviews you see on Amazon. They often praise the power, the reliability, the classic performance. They're not wrong. This clipper, when mastered, is a beast. It cuts through thick hair like a champ. The blade system, once understood, offers fantastic control for fades. The durability is legendary. Many barbers have units that last years. However, scroll stop interjection. The gap between a professional's experience and a home user's first impression is vast. That's the core of this honest review. Therefore, we need a resolution. Should you buy it? Act 3. The resolution and who this is really for. So after all these problems, the confusing lever, the heat, the weight, do I still say don't buy the Oster Fast Feed? Not exactly. I say, don't buy it if you are a complete beginner expecting a simple plug-and-play gadget. If you want something foolproof, there are better, more modern options. But contrarian snapback. If you are serious about learning home grooming, about mastering fades and blends, and you want a tool that will last a decade, the Fast Feed is a rite of passage. It's the gritty, honest, no shortcuts training ground. Learning its quirks teaches you barbering fundamentals. Joke 3. Buying the Fast Feed is like learning to drive in a manual transmission car. It's harder at first, but you become a better driver. Here's your action plan if you decide to get it. First, watch tutorial videos specifically on using the Fast Feed adjustable blade. Second, buy Oster Cool Care Spray and use it religiously. Third, practice holding it, get used to its weight. Treat it like learning a new instrument. It's not instant gratification. It's long-term reward. Now let's address the included medium-size adjustable blade. It's good. It's the standard. But for more versatility, consider adding a finer blade for detailing or a wider blade for bulk reduction. This clipper is a system, not just a single tool. Final rehook. So, will this clipper give you problems? Yes, absolutely. But will it also give you unparalleled control and durability that cheaper clippers can't match? Therefore, yes. It's a trade-off. It's a commitment. Joke 4. Using the Oster Fast Feed successfully is like being in a long-term relationship. You work through the issues because the core qualities are rock solid. To wrap up, don't buy the Oster Fast Feed if you want easy, cool, lightweight clipping. But definitely consider it if you're ready to invest time into learning a professional-grade tool that will serve you for years. It's not bad. It's just brutally honest about what it is. And if you've decided that this gritty, powerful classic is the right tool for your journey to better haircuts, you can find the best current price on Amazon by clicking the link in the description below. That's my affiliate link and it helps support this channel. Thank you for watching this honest review. Now you know the problems and the potential. Make an informed choice. See you next time.